the support you get from me is because of the work that you do. I mean, you know, I couldn't be happier to be with you all tonight. I want to congratulate you first and foremost on 50 years and your 50th anniversary. I think we'd hoped to celebrate that in kind of a different way when the year began. But I just have to say, you are one of my favorite organizations, and you can tell folks that, and it's because of the work that you do. The work that you've done over the decades to ensure, of course, that some of our most treasured, most vulnerable members of the community are cared for is really indicative of your servant's heart. I know Paul knows this, and I know he's going to shake his head. You know, I refer to Paul as St. Paul because I think of the work that he's done. You know, he worked for a former governor. He probably could have gone on and done a lot of things. But what he chose to do is work with each of you on the board and the staff of Serving Seniors. I know that 2020 has been a challenging year for everyone, and particularly our seniors. It was my understanding from talking to Paul last week that since the pandemic began, Serving Seniors went from serving an average of 57,000 meals monthly to 200,000. That is incredible. It's almost hard to believe, but I am not surprised. You have a collaborative team of nurses, social workers, care navigators, all that provide seniors integrated health and social services to address their needs, including combating social isolation at this critical time. And frankly, it doesn't surprise me that that's what you do. I know Serving Seniors. I know the staff. I know a number of the board members personally, and I know that you do have servants' hearts. And I couldn't be prouder to be supportive of you or be associated with you in any way. You found ways, your team, to continue to provide support in response to the original stay-at-home order by shifting to telephonic case management. Your Connections program that Jason explained to me warmed my heart. The fact that you provide a connection, a lifeline on the other end of the phone to battle the isolation that our seniors face is vital. And I know firsthand. Jennifer tonight, my spouse as we speak, is with her 95, soon to be 96-year-old grandmother. Now she's doing well physically, but it might not have been the case. We brought her home from a assisted living facility, and we could do that because physically she could do that. But what had happened to her was that she had gotten so isolated because they weren't able to mingle that she stopped getting dressed. And then she started to not remember things. Today, she's with Jennifer's parents. They're celebrating her 96th birthday, and she has had a recovery like you wouldn't believe. And that's because of the work to keep people from being isolated. So what you do right now, not everyone has the experience that my spouse's grandmother, the family, the faculties, the healthcare. You are that vital link to people who really need it. I know that COVID-19 has changed the way that we conduct business. It's true for me and my colleagues in the legislature, as it's been true for nonprofits like you. In the past legislative year, we in the Senate have allocated up to $1 billion. That sounds like a lot of money. It doesn't go nearly far enough for life-saving care and COVID-19 prevention. That funding enabled us to buy hospital and public health equipment, address efforts to reduce the spread of the virus in the homeless population, and it provided support for seniors needing services. And so it's really important. It's presented a greater need for our senior community, and now more than ever, Serving Seniors has certainly stepped up and risen to the occasion. So for all of these reasons, in addition to your dedication and your partnership with my office and my district team, I'm grateful to you. And so it gives me great pleasure to name Serving Seniors as my district's 2020 Nonprofit of the Year. And I'd hope to be able to do that at your gala. Congratulations. And I'm honored to have you as my partner. And I will be forever grateful for all the work that you do. So Paul, thank you. And Lena, to the board chair and the board members, thank you. You have an incredible staff that I love to be able to see when we're able to do that. They do incredible work on behalf of your organization. Paul, thank you.
Well, thank you. We're honored on behalf of the entire team, our frontline essential workers who are out there every single day. I mean, 2/3 of our staff are essential out there delivering meals, providing services. And so this is really a testament to them and to the entire team. We have a fantastic board, and I know we're just extraordinarily appreciative of the recognition and also knowing the support we have as we work through this. And I can guarantee you that we'll celebrate appropriately at the 50th anniversary gala in our 51st year next year.